I had been looking for a way to clean up my WordPress database for a long time. I used to use the Avada theme for WordPress, which installs a lot of custom fields that are left orphaned even after you uninstall the WordPress Avada theme. Well, I finally found a plugin called Edit Custom Fields, and you wouldn't know it by looking at the plugin name, but it also allows you to delete custom fields. So after you install this plugin, which I highly recommend if you need to clean up metadata in your old themes or your WordPress database, what I would do is take a backup of your WordPress database first from your hosting provider. Then you install the plugin and you activate it. And under Tools, you'll see Edit Custom Fields. And here it'll show you every single custom field that exists in your WordPress database and also how many posts are using that custom field. The custom fields are those metadatas that you can add to a post. Mostly themes use them, but some plugins use them for enhancing the feature image or various functionality. So you may have deleted those plugins, or deleted those themes, and you get left with all these orphaned. Well, as it turns out, Avada as a theme, you have all these custom fields that start with PYRE_ that you need to purge. Purging these should reduce the bloat of your database, and you could use this tool to greatly reduce the bloat of your database. Get rid of custom fields that you don't need anymore because you're not using that theme or you're not using that plugin that leveraged them anymore. There's just no reason to have all that orphan junk. I had over 144,000 artifacts in my database from the leftover Avada theme, which I had on for many years. All you have to do is select what fields you want to delete, click delete, check custom fields. I wouldn't select them all in one go because it may take a little bit of time to run the query and it may time out. It basically shows you what it's going to delete, and what posts it affects, and the potential dangers to your site. And again, I would use it with caution. Always take a backup of your database first, just in case it doesn't work. So I am going to delete these custom fields, and hopefully it'll run, and I didn't run too big of a query, and so those custom fields should be purged and no longer exist. And I'll go through and I'll get rid of all the rest of the Avada custom fields just like that. So this plugin works, and it works very well, and I recommend it. Thank you for watching.